Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another wig install, and today's wig is from Premiumlacewig. They sent me a goodie, you guys. So this wig is a Wear&Go Glueless 9x6 HD lace body wave human hair wig. I have her in 22 inches. They're saying she is 250% density, but you know, I'll let you guys be the judge of that. Now, the one thing that I do love about this wig is just the fact that she is so flowy and very shiny. I love the way that the wig felt. I was also very obsessed with that lace also. Now, I know I had mentioned that this hair is 100% human hair. To those of you who need a little bit more specifics, it is Brazilian virgin hair, okay? But this tutorial is going to be real easy to follow. You guys know how I do. I do not like to spend hours doing my hair, and I would not expect you guys to follow a super complicated tutorial. I'm not crazy with the styling and stuff like that. I just like to keep it short, cute, and sweet. And as long as it looks natural, then I'm happy. So let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. Per the usual, they sent some gifts. I'm going to give you guys some close-ups of that hair. It's a nice body wave texture. I'm going to give you a close-up of that lace as well. That lace was super see-through. It was really nice. That is the lace size, and of course there is a comb and an adjustable elastic band. So as usual, I'm just going to comb all of that hair away from the lace. That way I have a clean space to work with. I'm sure you guys noticed that the lace is not laying still or as flat. So I will be using my lace melting spray. Sorry. I will be using my lace melting spray to keep the lace in place and also help her to melt even better. Now, while the lace is doing its thing, we're going to move on to styling because you guys know I do not want to wait. Let's just go ahead and get this over with. So I'm going in with a middle part. Now, this is a 9x6 lace closure, you guys. So if you want to do like a deep part, you are more than welcome to. Part of the reason why I decided to do a middle part is just because of the style that I had in my head. Even though this is a nice body wave texture, I kind of wanted to create like these loose wave, like body beach wave type of curls, you know what I mean? And I just felt like a middle part would look best with that, but it's completely up to you. The lace size is huge, so do whatever you please, okay? So I'm using my wax stick and my hot comb to just keep the hair in place with that middle part, and then I'm going to add some flat iron curls to her. Oh, and I added some layers in the front as well. Can't forget about that. So right now I'm just adding some more foundation on that lace. Now, even though the lace looks super clear on my hand, one thing that I did realize is that when I turned my head to the side, you kind of still saw the lace a little bit, like it was giving a little beige. Now, when the wig wasn't on my head, the lace did have like a slight white tint to it. But as you guys noticed earlier, when I put it on my hand, it looks super clear. So sometimes you just got to be careful with that, especially when you got makeup on. Sometimes you just might have to do a little bit more blending. So what I normally like to do is like I'll take a little bit of hair and I'll just like put some spray on it and I'll just cover it up on the lace. So that way when I turn my head to the side, you can't really see it. You know what I mean? You got to finesse it, ladies. You got to finesse it. No wig is ever perfect. But I do like the lace on this one. I love the lace size of this one. I love the way that the wig cap fit on this one. It had a very tight, secure fit without me having to adjust anything. So thank you so much for that. Shout out to the brand for that. I love the flow of the hair. I love how effortless it was. If you want to do tighter curls, by all means go ahead. But as you guys can see, I wanted to keep like a loose beach body wave type of look. I just love that type of look on me, especially with the middle part. That's kind of like my go-to, which I'm pretty sure you guys have realized by now. And also, just one last thing, they did say that this wig was 22 inches, but she's looking more like 24 on me. I am pretty short, you guys. I'm only like 5'2", so I just wanted to throw that out there. But the direct link will be listed in my description box per the usual. I think this one is a goodie. It feels nice. It feels like quality, and that lace is beautiful. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time.